students, I am Neha Joshi. We are studying the subject science, lesson number first, plants increasing numbers. In the previous class, class 4, you all studied the food and digestion chapter. In that food, we learned that how food is very important for all the living things. And for the food, we are depending on the plants. Why the plants is important and why the plant number of plants is increasing, how the number of plants increasing by themselves. Plants producing more seeds and these seeds produce the new plants. Although some plants are not producing seeds, but most of the plants are producing seeds, and from that seeds the new plants will grow. See, there are the activity. All of you having the your books or having the e-learning notes. Soma comes home from school at 3 p.m. She has lunch which consists of roti and vegetables. Now it is 8 p.m. She is having dinner with her family. See, write the names of at least 6 food items which are seen in the picture. All of you having the notes or having the books, I am considering this. Our life depends on nature. Plants are a major part of a nature. Plants give us food, cereals, pulses, vegetables and fruits. Comes from plants. Sugar and oil too are obtained from the plants. Plants provide us with wood, fiber, rubber, gum, tea and coffee. Plants supply us with life-giving oxygen also. Plants help to reduce soil erosion. See, here the word is soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The displacement of top layer of the soil is a displacement of top layer of soil by strong wind, heavy rain, etc. Any factors are there. Is the displacement of a top layer of a soil by strong wind or heavy rain. See, the erosion, what affects the top layer? Top layer contains most of the nutrients. Most minerals in the soils are contained in the top layer. So, which is very essential for the plants to grow the plants very healthy. That's why life on the earth cannot exist without plants. We need to grow more and more plants since we depend on them. More plants would mean a continuous supply of the plant production to meet our needs. We need everyday life, every living things needs on food, and food is preparing or producing from the plants. So we need to produce more and more plants to meet our needs and to stop the soil erosion. Plants is also help to stop soil erosion as it is a displacement of the top layer, and the top layer of the soil contains most of the nutrients which is very essential for the plants. From where the plants producing food and the food is coming with the nutrients, it's from the plants, water and the sunlight. So this is of the soil erosion. Let's see what is plant increase in number. How it is increasing? Plant producing more seeds. Suppose this is the tree of mango. Okay, and it is in the forest. Suppose it is not on any bagicha or the garden of the own person. It is in the forest, and these seeds or this mango is ripe and fallen down by own. Here this mango, ripe mango is totally broken or decay in the soil and the seed is remain. Seed is automatically is surrounded by the soil, and here this seed of mango is germinated because this seed is having the favorable condition, soil with proper nutrient, air, sunlight and the water by the rain. But all the seeds are germinated in this below the tree? No. All is not. Some seeds are broken by the insects or birds. Some are flown away by the wind. Some do not get the favorable condition. Do not get enough the fertile nutrient soil. That's why all the seeds are not germinated. But the some which are having the favorable condition, proper soil, air, water and the sunlight, they are germinated.